Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Quran and Salah the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 24b, in which we will study two verbs, ja'ala and fataha, in their madi forms. By the end of this lesson, we will learn 100 words which occur almost 28,200 times in the Quran. Make sure to use TPI while learning these forms, which is hear it, see it, think it, say it, show it, love it, and do it together. We have already learned fa'ala, that is he did. Using TPI, we did those forms like fa'ala, fa'alu, fa'alta, fa'altu, fa'altum, fa'alna. So now let us practice second verb, which is fataha, means he opened. Can you translate with actions? Fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they opened. Fatahta, you opened. Fatahtu, I opened. Fatahtum, you all opened. Fatahna, we opened. Once again, fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they opened. Fatahta, you opened. Fatahtu, I opened. Fatahtum, you all opened. Fatahna, we opened. Can you repeat after me in Arabic only, using TPI and thinking what you are saying? فتح فتحوا فتح فتحوا فتحت 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 فتحتم فتحنا فتحتم فتحنا. MashaAllah. Let us use these forms in spoken Arabic. All of us have opened the books, so answer me in yes. هل فتح؟ نعم فتح. هل فتحوا؟ نعم فتحوا. هل فتحت؟ نعم فتحت. هل فتحتم؟ نعم فتحنا. MashaAllah. Let's take another verb, which is ja'ala. Ja'ala means he made. Now can you translate using TPI? Ja'ala, he made. Ja'alu, they made. Ja'alta, you made. Ja'altu, I made. Ja'altum, you all made. Ja'alna, we made. MashaAllah. Can you repeat after me only in Arabic? Ja'ala, ja'alu, ja'ala, ja'alu, ja'alta, جعلت 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 جعلتم جعلنا جعلتم جعلنا. MashaAllah. Let us use these forms in spoken Arabic. Answer me in yes. هل جعل؟ نعم جعل. هل جعلوا؟ نعم جعلوا. هل جعلت؟ نعم جعلت. هل جعلتم؟ نعم جعلنا. MashaAllah. You must have noticed that in the first two forms, ja'ala, ja'alu, nothing changes. But when you say hal ja'alta, did you make? It will be na'am ja'altu. So ta will become tu and tum will become na. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.